The Rule 18 applies except in case of narrow channels, traffic separation scheme, and overtaking. A power-driven vessel and wing-in ground vessel, while operating on water surface, shall keep clear of the vessel not under command. It should keep clear of the vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. It should also keep clear of vessel engaged in fishing and sailing vessel. A sailing vessel shall keep clear of vessel not under command, vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, and vessels engaged in fishing. A vessel engaged in fishing when underway shall keep clear of vessel not under command and vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. Except for restricted in ability to maneuver vessel and vessel not under command, all other vessels should keep clear of vessel constrained by her draft. A seaplane on water should keep well clear of other vessels and take action as per the rules.